Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Pure Cut Creations. Today, we are going to be giving it a go to make our own Christmas ornaments. This is a great project that I love to do, and it's definitely something that you could do with children, or even if you're a kid at heart like myself. We're going to print out an object, we're going to finish it up, paint it, and we're going to hang it on my Christmas tree, so that way we are ready for the holidays. I'm going to turn on the time lapse, and we are going to just sit back and watch his print. As you can see, there were quite a few failures at this point, probably about 8 or so. I realized that it was because the basement was way too cold for a 3D printer. This caused the plastic to cool down way too fast, shrink in on itself. But once I brought it upstairs and got it printing up there, we were good to go. You're going to need a knife. You're going to need your 3D prints. 3D prints. You're going to need to not break them. Some sandpaper. This right here is going to get chopped off. And I am just doing some very, very controlled cuts, even though I am cutting towards myself, making sure that this blade is under my control at all times. Feels like the best I can do on that. This one, we have some webbing in here, so we're gonna clean that up. Just go in there with our blade. I'm actually gonna use the sandpaper. What this does is it roughs that bottom up a little better, making the glue stick way more. Jordan want to give that one up. This is some really coarse 120 grit. I know some of you might be thinking 120 grit is not that coarse. It's pretty coarse when it comes to 3D prints. And we're just gonna scrape this up a whole bunch. I'm actually gonna cap my knife so that way I don't smack the back of my hand into it. That wouldn't be good. Do the same thing on this one. 220 grit sandpaper, and we'll just give it a go everywhere on here. Container of water, some brushes, black gold, red paint, a paint palette, paper towel. Swap camera angles. So I start by putting the black paint on the inside and around the little button doohickey. I wanted to make sure I didn't have to go back over with white on any of the parts that remain white, because I was afraid my white paint would not be the same color as my filament and I would have to paint the entire bottom and button. Then it was off to the cap, which was super easy because it was just a half sphere that I had to paint red, avoiding the little part that I was holding on to. Some super glue right in here. Handy dandy stabber. No. No! That's not what I wanted at all! Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on everyone. We're gonna go to a quick... Oh my goodness. Get what it's cost me. Can get that paint off, but I really need to go try and get the paint off my sweatshirt now. Just some gold on the top to make it stand out and look nice. Then when you have your painted, completed ornament, all it needs is a little bit of ribbon. Once again, Thank you for watching and have a wonderful holiday.